This is my first time having Kyrgyz food. I just landed in Bishkek after an 11-hour flight, so this is going to be quite the meal, starting with mantı. These dumplings are eaten all across Central Asia and Turkey, but here in Kyrgyzstan, they're often filled with potato and onion or meat.
That's the one. That's really good.
Next, here's borsuk, which is a traditional Kyrgyz fried bread. It's very light and fluffy. Some people eat them with jam or honey, but they're really nice eaten plain as well, sort of like savory donuts. I also got this very sweet passion fruit lemonade, which I'm pretty sure is not particularly traditional. And my friend Nicola got a giant fresh orange juice, which in London would have cost a fortune.
Oh, good choice, Nicola. Good choice.
Well done. Next up in our feast, we've got shorpo. It's a simple meat broth eaten all over Kyrgyzstan. This one had chunks of lamb, potato, carrot, and green onions. To be honest, it was a little bland, but I think that's the restaurant's fault. I'm going to search for a better one. And this here is a simple salad called shakarap. It's basically just tomato and marinated onion. And this final dish was my favorite, lagman noodles. I had actually eaten them before at a Uyghur restaurant in London, but these were definitely better. Originally, lagman noodles were adapted from Han Chinese dishes, but these are now distinctly Uyghur.
That's really good. I think that's really, really nice.
I'm in Kyrgyzstan for the next 10 days, so don't forget to follow along.